Well, look who's made it back to a $50 mark here. I gotta be honest, when I saw AMC hit this $50 mark, I was busting out laughing with excitement, with joy, and just, you know what, in your face to everyone said that this would not make it back to a $50 mark. But here we are, staring at this $50 bid price on AMC, and once you know it, it ended the week on that right there. But my friends, fellow investors, apes, diamond hands, whoever you claim to be, I'm glad you're here. Let's talk about AMC and what has been going on here with this stock. Now, it's no secret we have not hit the crazy squeeze we are all hoping for, we are waiting for here, but we are seeing a very nice slow walk up in AMC right now. Now, for the past 2 weeks, I've been talking about this walk up with AMC that we're steadily seeing right now. And thankfully, I've been right because it's been doing exactly what I've said it's going to do every Sunday. It continues to walk up every week. Now, this is definitely going to be the week of what is going to happen here. Are we going to see AMC continue to climb this $50 ladder into a $60 mark, or could we possibly see a squeeze take place? So friends, it is September. We do know that on September 24th of 2021, there is a $95 call on AMC. Now, I believe September is going to be a very big month just in general for the overall stock market. So here's some things that we have right now that are on the golden path to what AMC could do here. First of all, September is looking very good for crypto. September is looking very good for stocks in general. Now, we had that call I just talked about. AMC has been on a 3-week slow move up, and slow move ups are very, very positive. And then we had the AMC business itself, the nuts and bolts of what AMC is doing, what they're continuing doing. We have a lot of big movies coming out the rest of the year. We know that AMC is doing a lot of different things to bring in the bread and butter here, as in renting out theaters themselves to people who are willing to pay for them for parties. They are showing UFC fights. They're even starting to rent out theaters for people that are willing to pay and watch NFL games. So naturally, you're going to start to see some new revenue come into the situation with AMC, with them as a company just in general, which obviously I don't think a lot of people care about AMC, the company itself. What they're really wanting to know is, when is this thing going to squeeze? Is it still going to squeeze? I am still very bullish on the squeeze, and the reason I'm still very bullish on the squeeze is because we know that a lot of hedge funds had contracts on AMC that were betting for it to fall apart. We know that they did not get out of them in time. We know that they are still paying for them, and if we can get AMC anywhere to a $90, even to a triple digit number just on the bid price alone with walking it up as investors, this is going to be huge and detrimental to the hedgies. Friends, I would be very careful when people say this is over. People were saying this was never going to hit $50 again. I mean, literally 20-30 days ago, people were saying this is going back to $4 and you're crazy for putting more money into it. Well, now those people are going, wow, crap. But AMC as a business is open, operating. They have 950 theaters here, and they are not stopping. They are looking into the future of what they're going to be doing as a company. Their stock continues to go up. They continue to bring in money from that alone. And listen, people are still buying, selling, and trading this thing like hotcakes. The volume on this has been nonstop. We ended Friday with 90 million in volume. Day before, which was the 9th, we had 85 million, then 97 million, then 102 million, 52 million, 67 million. But what I'm trying to show you is that we are having amazing days with volume here in AMC. It's not stopping. This is not a dead stock. This is not a stock that's lost its volume, that's lost its investors. It is still being traded around very heavily, and that is positive. That is good. That is what keeps this thing up, moving, and alive. But it's so obvious when you start on 813 right here. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at all these highs right here. Look at this slow, steady walk up. I mean, it's textbook. I mean, this is great right here. Your lows become the highs, and your highs become the new starting points. This is fantastic. So friends, I think it's pretty obvious. If you're bullish in the AMC and you're wanting to see this thing keep going up, we are looking for bigger, more volume to we are looking for bigger signs of volume to come in. We're looking for bigger volume numbers. We're looking for above average volume from what we've been seeing as of right now already. But right now, this resistance level that we're seeing with AMC is probably generally somewhere around this $54, $55 mark. Now, AMC sat around that level for quite some time, remember, back here in July. So that's when you had a lot of people buy in. That's when you had a lot of people buy in with contracts. They kind of got maybe stuck in because they thought this thing was going to keep going up. So this week, like I said, this is going to be a very interesting week coming here. This whole month, September, is going to be great, but this week is going to be really interesting. And if we had a chance to break into this $55, $60 bid price into AMC again, this would definitely be the slingshot situation we are looking for right here. And obviously, if you are betting against AMC, which I don't think there's too many people in here that are betting against it, but if you are, obviously you are looking for the opposite of everything I said. You're looking for less volume, looking for this thing to just fall apart, and for people to take their money and run. We know who you are, but that's okay. Everyone's got to have their thing. So friends, this is what we're seeing with AMC. Listen, I am excited about this week. I'm excited about everything to come with AMC, and potentially that we could see a squeeze sooner than later with AMC and see X number, whatever we can be walking into here soon. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future. It's so important. There's so many good things to invest in right now, from stocks to crypto to new growth stocks. Everything is happening right now. So friends, I will talk to you very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye, friends.